Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with JumpTask in 2025. Now, if you don't know what a JumpTask is, let me tell you that JumpTask is a micro task and earning platform where you can complete some of the simple online activities like surveys, app installs, and offers to earn the crypto rewards. So if you are looking for a legit way to earn some extra income online, JumpTask can be the greater option. So without further delay, let's get straight into it how you can just set up your account here. First of all, you need to come here on jumptask.io. Then you just have to click on the option of start making money now or sign up option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you do this, you just have to create your account here with the help of your Google account, or you can also connect your MetaMask wallet with it. Now, as I've told you earlier, JumpTask is going to pay you the money in crypto. So they have their native token, which is called as JMPT tokens, or the stable coins. You are also going to get some of the stable coins. So having a wallet is recommended for the withdrawals. So once you are here on your account, this is going to be your dashboards. Over here, when you go to the Web3 missions, you are going to see some of the JumpTask missions. So click on the option of go to missions. Then it is going to show you your collected points. Plus it will show if there is any task available. If you see any of the tasks over here, you just have to start completing that. And as you complete the task, you are going to earn your cryptos. You are going to see your earnings here in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can also earn 10% lifetime bonus if you refer your friend here. So you can basically earn money by referring the friends as well. So by the time if there is no survey offer or watching ad option available, you can just simply ask other people to join the platform and earn extra cash. Now, as you can see here on the home page, I have this watch and earn option available, and for this task I'm going to earn this much JMPT token. So here simply agree to the terms and conditions, then click on the option of start task. Now, after completing the task, as I've told you earlier, you will get the money in the form of crypto, which you can basically withdraw in your MetaMask wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.